Hi, in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create user stories for a landing page. It's going to be similar to the user stories for the to-do feature. So rather than just tell you the same things, I will focus on what a landing page is and also how to create a new property called features in Notion. The user stories, as usual, are in the YouTube description below, so just copy them and follow along with me. Now, let's start off by understanding what a landing page is. Every app has a landing page. It's basically the first page people see when they visit your website or digital product. Think of it as your digital storefront or the front door to your app. Now, here's what makes landing pages so important for any app that you're going to make. It's your first impression. You've only got a few seconds to grab someone's attention and then convince them to stick around for your app. The landing page needs to immediately show what your app can do and why somebody should care about your app. Your landing page has only one main goal. Unlike your homepage, that might have links everywhere. A good landing page is focused on getting visitors to take one specific action called the call to action. So things like signing up for your email list, downloading your app, starting a free trial, or even making a purchase. And finally, a landing page is where you can tell a story quickly. The best landing pages explain what you're offering, who it's for, what problem it solves, all in a way that's easy to scan in about 5 to 10 seconds. People don't read every word, so you need compelling headlines, clear benefits, and maybe some visuals or testimonials. Now that you know what a landing page is, let's go back to the Notion dashboard and get down to work. The first thing I want to do is to create this property called features in Notion. Basically, I already have 3 user stories for the to-do feature, right? If I just go ahead and create more user stories for the landing page, the AI assistant in Notion is going to find it very confusing. So you want to do some knowledge management by labeling your user stories nicely. So just go to the to-do user stories, which should be under the completed panel by now. Open up the side panel and click on Add Property. Click on Text and then key in Feature and press Enter. You should see this new property appear at the top where you can now indicate what feature this story is for. In this case, it's for the to-do feature, which you've just done. Once you've created this property, it exists for all user stories in your board. So go ahead, click on all the to-do features and label them accordingly. Once you're done, click on Settings, Property Visibility, then toggle on Feature Property. And you see that all your user stories now show what feature they belong to. Next, we're going to create the landing page user story. The first user story, we have to introduce the app. It's got to be high in priority since we're working on it, and it belongs to the landing page feature. Once you're done keying them in, open up the side panel and start writing your user stories. Remember, the user stories for the landing page are all in the YouTube description below, so just copy them and follow along. Now we're going to fast forward through the user stories for the landing page so you can actually see what it's like. Once you're done, you should have 3 new user stories, all high priority and for the landing page feature. And that's really it for this video. In the next video, I will walk you through what a navigation bar is, and we will create the user stories for a navigation bar together. See you there.